In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Monzo account in 2025. Saying goodbye to an account might seem daunting, but with our simple step-by-step guide, you'll find it surprisingly straightforward. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through each part of the process to ensure you can close your account with confidence. First, you'll want to begin by opening up the Monzo mobile app on your device. It's essential to ensure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches or issues along the way. With your app open, you'll notice a clean layout, typically emphasizing functionality, making it easy to navigate to different sections. Now look towards the bottom navigation bar where you'll see an icon labeled Account. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you into a section where you can see all your account specifics. This segment of the app not only gives you insight into your financial activity, but also serves as the hub for managing your account settings. From here, your next move is to locate and click on Settings. You should find this option after scrolling through the account details. Settings is essentially the nucleus of your app. It's where you manage everything from security preferences to notifications and even your ultimate account closure. Upon entering the settings, search for the option that says Close Account. This step is necessary and initiates the process of parting ways with your Monzo account. It's entirely normal to feel a touch of hesitation at this stage, as closing an account signifies the end of using a service that may have been part and parcel of your financial habits. When you tap Close Account, the app will guide you through several prompts to confirm your decision. Monzo wants to make sure that closing your account is intentional and not accidental. Be prepared for the app to ask for confirmations or reasons. This is not only a way to protect your account, but also a step where Monzo gathers feedback to understand your decision better. As you proceed through these prompts, follow every instruction carefully to ensure you've completed all necessary steps. At this point, double check that you've tied up any loose ends, like canceling direct debits, moving any remaining funds elsewhere, or downloading your statements for your records. And there you have it. Once you've followed the above steps, your Monzo account will be closed. Remember, closing an account is a personal decision and should align with your current financial needs and future planning. If you ever find yourself needing a Monzo account again, you can always return to begin the process anew. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.